congressman and our president to be there. Hopefully, will be there. And then, it will be a closing event. Of course, we will commemorate the heroes. But that's one. No? The other is we're also planning for the 80th anniversaries of the different World War II events. Because starting October 2024 will be the 80th anniversary of the Leyte Gulf landing. And then dire-diretso na yun, all the way to March 2025, and then September 2025.
October. Because the Leyte landing was October 20.
Yes, that's correct. So this year will be the 80th anniversary of the Leyte Gulf landing.
80 years.
So we're already planning for that. And then we're also planning for the other liberation events, the landing in Lingayen Gulf, the landing, the Battle for Manila, the different liberation areas in Mindanao, the Visayas, and North Luzon. So it's a big, of course, local events po ito, but there will be several starting itong ang Leyte. So marami pong naka-line up. Ang plan is really to create awareness about what the world, kasi in most of our history books, nakalagay talaga Amerikano yung nag-save, which is to some degree tama. But in many of the historical encounters that I've seen, it was really the Filipinos who did most of the work.
Of course. Yeah. Kulang lang tayo siguro ng documentation presentation.
Yeah.
Kasi mas magaling ang Amerikano sa PR eh.
Oo nga, exactly. Tama kayo. Sa last Friday, yung rescue at Los Baños, ang kwento sa akin ng mga veterano
Filipino heroism was downplayed.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Don't you know that I'll just take this opportunity. I visited the AFP Museum. Sa Malaybalay pala, Editor Alan, yun ang unang ginawa ng mga Filipino guerrilla. Yung instead of a human bomb, Carabao, hindi karga yung bomba. Di-attack yung camp ng mga Hapon.
Carabao.
Tama yan.
Diba? I-picture nila doon sa museum ng Armed Forces. Sabi ko, Malaybalay. Then they used the Carabao. Well, at that time, wala pa namang animal cruelty. But they were able to use the Carabao, nalagyan nila ng bomba, pumasok doon sa kampo ng mga Hapon. In Malaybalay. I do not know if this is part, was it a propaganda, but that's Armed Forces, museum. Yes, Sir Mike.
Also in summer in Basilan or Zamboanga, si Pendaton did the same.
Correct.
Kalabaw din, dinagyan ng bomba. Pero may pagkain, may mga prutas sa ibabaw ng kalabaw para ma-hide yung bomba. So nung pinasok sa kampo, akala ng mga Hapon, regalo ng community sa kanila. So pinapasok yung kalabaw. Nung pumasok sa loob na yung kalabaw, yun, sumabog yung bomba. Daming namatay na. Ingenuity ng Pilipino yan.
Filipino yun. So these are things that we would like to highlight in our program, Kalandrakas. Siguro, Sir Mike, can you give us some good documentaries na i-cut lang natin, i-play namin dito sa ating programa? Di ba? Kasi maraming mga documents or stories of our Filipinos.
Heroism.
Heroism ng ating mga kapwa Filipino. Kasi, di ba, lugi tayo sa propaganda war ng Amerika. Na sila lang talaga sila ang palaging savior. So, tayo, mga Pilipino, parang palagi lang ginasave.
Mas marami Pilipino kahirap sa Adit March.
So anyway, yes, continue, Sir Mike.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are nakahilira na mga activities. Siguro we will not be able to join the Death March on March 15. We'll try the October because usually that's our schedule island tour, no? Sa ating sa October 20 ata yung famous landing of Leyte. Will that be also the time where your bank conducts the activity?
It's a joint activity with other agencies. We're also bringing in the archivist of MacArthur Memorial, si James Sobel, to Leyte. Para he can talk. This guy knows more about our history than many Filipinos.
Yes, because the landing of MacArthur in Leyte could not have been realized kung wala siyang Filipino intelligence in the area.
That's correct, yeah. Saka di ba maraming mga stories about yung mga, ano daw, script daw yung landing, yung mga ganun. He can explain apparently MacArthur made 3 landings on October. First in Palo, then the second in Tacloban, if I'm not mistaken, and another one in another town. So that's why iba-iba yung itsura niya sa picture. Kasi he actually did 3 landings in Leyte. So that was parang mga gano'n. Kasi sabi ng iba, fake daw yan kasi hindi naman totoo nag-land si MacArthur dito. Or baka it was taken, the photo was taken after the war. Para lang ma-document ng mabuti. Pero yun, galing niya mag-explain eh. So we're hoping to bring him here sa Philippines sa October. And he's pro-Filipino, don't worry. So kahit Amerikano siya.
We'll try to plot our trip that we will be hitting the grounds in Palo by that time. Because that's the usual route natin, Editor Alan, sa Calanracas. As a matter of fact, this year, we will be conducting, ang Calanracas will be featuring yung activities ng mga tour activities. But
mga festivals.
No? Kasi yung mga activities sa bansa. But kasama na rin, one of the main attractions is the exploits of our heroes. Yes. This is very important to rekindle our love of country, our patriotic fervor. For without it, we cannot exist as a society. Kung it will just be talking about how we rob this government of public funds, there will be no more public funds to rob at the end of the century, probably. But if we talk about the values of our people, on how they defended our country and fought hard, bloodletting for our country, then there will be no end to the discussion.
Yes.
Yeah. Just a quick story. Do you remember si Kang Leon, di ba? The leader of the Leyte guerrillas.
Yeah.
Kang Leon.
We got some information. Kasi the Americans were feeding cash and weapons to the guerrilla leaders. No? Kang Leon is one of them. After the war, he returned all the dollars that was given to him. He gave a detailed list of his expenses to the Americans. Ganon ka honest yung yung tao.
May liquidation siya.
May liquidation. Sinoli niya eh. Pero yung ibang guerrilla leaders, di ko na babanggitin kung sino. Wala na, sorry.
Parang I read the narrative of Ambit Ocampo when Aguinaldo went to Hong Kong to buy firearms. Parang pagbalik, parang tinayo ng Kawit mansion. The corruption issues has always been there. But this one that you shared with us, Sir Mike, is this guerrilla leader who also received funding from the U.S. who did a list of his expenses.
Kasi, after the war, he was probably, I'm not sure if there are others, but it was reported that he was the one who surrendered every last centavo. He really gave a detailed account. This was spent here, this was spent here. And then the excess, he returned. So, parang it was very honest yung ginawa ni Kang Leon. And I think he should be, dapat i-celebrate yun, di ba?
Tularan natin, huwag na natin i-celebrate yung paano sila nagnakaw. Siguro, this is one example, no? Meaning, only few probably, but even if few, this will also radiate to other people that pwede pala. Meaning, it can be.
Pwede, di ba?
So, transparent siya, no? Transparent and we followed kasi it was not given to him for him to squander, but probably that's part of the funding for war in order for
to support
win
correct
the war, no?
Correct.
Okay,
and he could have followed the example of the others, no? Easily bubulsa na lang niya for his own pagkawasan.
I think even in the armed forces or in the PNP now, there are still about percentage-wise, marami pa rin ang mga honest. Except lang ang na-highlight, yung mga malalaki, 55 million, 10 million, yun ang packeting during the raid. Meaning sad, but real. But I think we should also part ng ating marketing siguro, ng ating pambansang pulis na, di ba? Ang mahirap lang dito, well, we can relate that. That siguro Sir Mike, we will feature that para i-feature natin yung mga ganito na mga gawain. Of course, to give merits and credits to those who also believe in transparency, honesty, and good governance.
That's correct. That's correct. That's we're aligned in that way. No? We want to do the same to highlight those kinds of actions. Dapat yun ang i-share natin sa mga tao na may mga ganong klaseng leaders pala. And kung hindi natin na-research, hindi natin malalaman na honest pala yung mama. Di ba? Parang dapat ganun yung hina-highlight din natin to balance things.
Oo, dapat, no? Anyway, these are things that we need to know. And thank you for your effort. I hope Veterans Bank continue to fund activities like this because as I have said, these are priceless commodities that are not easily losing its
importance,
importance at the same time sa ating buhay, no? Dapat ating revisit from time to time so that the next generation will not say that our past generation is something that we cannot be proud of. Diba? These are very important things. That's why this should be, I think we have incoming celebration of Heroes Day. Tama?
Yes, April 9.
April 9.
April 9.
Dapat, Tuesday kasi yan, Editor Alan.
Originally,
Probably
that was
our Kalandrakas on, we will have again, we'll invite Sir Mike on a day before that. 8, holiday, kahit holiday, naka-Zoom lang tayo. Or kung mayroon ka ng mga documentary o ating i-share para makita naman. Kasi of course, Alan looks like a war veteran, but he has not experienced war. Only in war on love. But not the first and the second war. I think there is one who witnessed that, who just celebrated the 100 years. Si Juan Ponce Enrile. You know, the beauty of celebrating 100 years because all your sins are also forgotten.
Kinuha mo siyang National Security Advisor.
Di ba? Napag-usapan how he survived. Hindi na natin napag-usapan on how he also participated in the martial law. Anyway, happy birthday. Happy birthday. You know, it's not easy to celebrate 100 years. But it doesn't mean that 100 years, you are immaculate white. You also have some errors along the way. Anyway, thank you, Sir Mike. Any parting words? Because
before
we will have a commercial break. When we come back, we also talk about
sir.
light moments with our next guest.
Well, thank you again for having me. We hope this will not be the last. We always look forward to joining your program. Maraming po salamat po. Magandang hapon din po sa lahat ng nanonood, nakikinig.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Let's pause for a commercial break. When we come back, let's talk on light moments in the city of Cagayan de Oro. Let's talk about dance sport and other activities with our guest, Joe Awiden. Sit up, brother. Sit up, Mike. si Doc Manny dyan, makiguban ka ninyo from 1 until 2. But karon extended ta. Kay late sa ta nag-start, but earlier sa atong first part sa atong programa, we have our resource person, the Vice President, ng Veterans Bank, si Mike Villarreal. We talk about things about the banks of the Veterans Bank and the sponsorship nila sa veterans, no?
Yeah.
But this afternoon, karon dapit na ko an old friend, tugay na nako kauban. Si Joe Witten. Joe, unsay kaning dance sports? Can you share us? Of course, Editor Alan.
Yeah. Joe.
May adlaw may ngunto sa tanan kay Oro. Dance sport sa ato pang mga karaang mga katigulangan is ballroom.
Ballroom.
Yeah, ballroom.
Ang mga kinalakad.
Ang difference sa dance sport o sa ballroom, you have to dance the whole music or dance.
Ang dance sport.
Ang ballroom.
Ang ballroom.
You have to
The
dance.
whole music. The whole music.
You have to dance.
Okay.
Pero sa dance sport, we have only a minimized time limit.
May limit.
1 minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes.
Okay.
Per dance,
So, unsa man, freestyle or there is how do we judge dance sports?
Yeah.
No. That's what
Explain na nimo.
That's what we have two discipline, the Latin and the standard.
Okay. May Latin.
May standard.
Ang Latin katong
Cha-cha-cha,
okay.
samba,
Cha-cha.
rumba.
Boogie.
Ang sa ballroom, ang boogie, jive sa dance sport, jive.
Okay.
So, muna siya. Ang dito po karon sa
Standard.
Waltz, tango, quick step, foxtrot, Venice waltz.
Ano yung standard?
Muna standard.
Okay. So, then ang regulation pala ani na 1 minute to 2 minutes.
Yes. 1 minute.
Then how do you judge them? Paano sila makadaog?
The judgment, according to the adjudicator, we have some guidelines. The guidelines is on us, but World Dance Sport Federation, we're sanctioned for the World Dance Sport Federation.
Okay, may kapunungan na world, no?
Oh, yeah.
Then may criteria.
Or criteria din. In the Philippines, we have a Dance Sport Federation of the Philippines.
Okay, now, how is Cagayan de Oro in the dance sport?
Well, we are in 19 years since I am the creator of the Dance Sport Council in Cagayan de Oro. Yeah,
Okay.
I am the
So, ilang tuig na din ni Sergio?
19 years.
19 years na pala.
Mag 20 years karong sunod semana.
Okay, so ako, gusto ko mo appeal og dance sport. O say connection, paano ko maka-appeal?
Well,
Sayaw
we
ka.
have categorized because our training program is imposing 5 years old to 15.
Edad niya,
Yeah.
edad. So, may 5 years hanggang 15.
So we have imposing that training program.
Okay?
Now, if some
Pareha na mong edad ni Ala. Mga senior na.
no, if you have
Bugi-bugi na lang kami.
like this ages
Ato,
young at age, we have some also trainer to teach you.
Pero maka-appeal pa bagyapon mo sa dance
Maka-appeal.
sport?
Ay,
Kaya kaplano mo yun.
Mag-appeal pa. Why not?
Okay. 1 to 2 minutes lang, editor Ala.
Actually, we have
Magkasurvive
senior-
pa kita na.
Actually, we are our
Okay na
senior
ko siya
citizen right now.
Boogie.
Kaya ikaw si Joe. Sige, Jo.
Actually, we are our senior citizen. Mostly are women. Senior citizen, ha?
Mga babae.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're almost 2 years with us.
Okay, can you tell us, Joe, para sa atong mga viewers, kanus ang dance sport nag-start sa Cagayan de Oro, matud pa nimo 19 years na.
Ago.
Asa sila, assuming gusto ko, I'm interested ko ani, asa siya mo adto? Okay, can you share us to our audience?
Ang dance sport, we have to, I created way back 2004.
Okay.
So, because some people told me, how you become a dancer? You're a runner.
Runner mo. By the way, si Joe, miler ni siya, marathon ba? Pila ka
marathon runner ba?
kilometro, pila ka rounds diya sa sports center, o pila ang last na ni mga 25 kilometers ang iyang gidagan.
Grabe
So
na.
karon ni-engage na siya sa dance sport. Okay, sige.
So, I get a training in Manila when I get time as a team manager sa football ni Alan Alberto.
So nag-alan, okay.
So 2 weeks, I'm doing basic. It's not basic.
Basic
dancing,
sa.
Basic lang. At the training center.
Nay-partner na siya, Joe?
Yes, of course.
Okay, sige.
Dance sport, mostly our couple. Paris, Bali.
Okay.
Kung na tayo solo competition, it's another story.
Okay, sige.
So, I started for 2004 with the mayor at the time is Dongko Imano and Kagawad Binaldo.
Binjo.
Binaldo.
Who became congressman also.
Because they were supporting my program.
Okay.
Actually, kung sila kaning suportado.
Suportagit sila,
Suportagit sila.
Sa mga prices, mga venue.
No, the training program.
Nalagit training, ani.
Sa una sa panahon, itawag ng asset program sa sports sa Kindioro. So that's what is part of the training program on assets.
Sa sports.
O sa sports.
Okay.
So, my training center, ang sugod ako sa tourism hall, sa City Hall.
Okay.
Di pa air ko na ang tourism sa una, open pa siya.
Neto.
Di ako every Saturday and Sunday.
Practice.
Practice. And then,
Kasi mo qualify, assuming karon. Sa may mo appeal ko, na pre-qualification requirement?
you have to get into training.
Okay, sige.
So, sa Kitlim Kitkay, ang training ko namin sa Kitkay.
Okay.
Every Saturday, Sunday, and holidays. 1 o'clock until 4. So, ang mga bata diha, mga tindas ng mga bata o mga mama sa ilang mga bata, tindas lang. Mobile lang sa 50 pesos
Naibayan.
for 3 hours.
Okay. Naatay trainer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aside sa ako, na ko yung mga backup trainers.
Okay. 50 lang.
50 lang.
Okay.
Ma-high school man siya, ma-elementary. Basta we allowed 5 years old to 15.
Okay.
Because that is the ground rules for dance sport to compete.
Okay, sa international.
Mga national o international.
Okay. Years old. 5 years old to 15. Okay. Bayad siya 50 kung he wants to attend the practice. Now, paano siya mo qualifying parts siya sa team? Naamoy pre-selections?
The dance sport right now, every 2 months we have evaluation and competition. Para makita ni mong bata, asa na siya, unsa na yung
Progress siya.
naabtan, unsa yung naabtan. So, actually, yesterday we have a competition evaluation at Kitkay. So, makita ni mong bata, mabago siya daan, we have also to categorize them. Lisod ba kayang bago ibang
Sa karaan.
So, we have a category for them. Beginners 1, beginners 2, advanced, ano siya.
So sa imong experience, Joe, dagan ba is this mark kaninga group kaadang kadaghan kasi nice, di ba? It's not only it's now considered a sport, dance sports nga eh. So good sa exercise pud ni kay all bodies mo moving. Nabay tay medyo daghan ba ang gaapil?
Right now, we concentrate on a training program mostly is elementary. Okay? So gadagan siya because it's a deep ed sanction. Mostly on our trainees are
Deep ed.
School based.
So sa may points are you when we say deep ed, apil ko diyang training may credit siya sa sports o sa PE?
So ang may tabo, kung kaya niya ang bata mag-selection meet to qualify a division meet, okay, division, Kindioro, then we have regional meet, inter-region, we have a competition. After you're qualified for the regional meet, we have palarong pangbansa.
O na diyan, nakahimo na ba ta na?
Nakahimo na.
National na.
Nga participants
Actually,
sa imong experience.
during the selection, it's only 1 couple per category.
What mean by category? Like
For example,
one cha-cha.
Latin.
Latin
So we
dances,
have 1 couple for elementary and 1 couple for high school. Standard, the same. So we have only 4
Four couple.
for the national.
For the national.
For the palang pangbansa.
Kasi alam mo, nakita ko na sa TV editor Alan, dance sport, grabe na nga practice, no? Kailangan din mga precision, nang sa tanaw ng imong stepping, sa cadence sa music, no? Sa rhythm.
Correct.
Di ba? Can you share that, Joe? Kung sa man, paano ito makadaog kay aming editor na?
Gusto mo apil ba ka na makadaog mi?
Hindi pa tayo huli. Hindi pa tayo huli.
Sige, sa ako, sa aside to training guidelines sa dance sport, lima rin ang akong ginaipusa sa mga bata. Ngayon dapat sundon.
Okay, ang sa maning 5.
Practice, and practice.
Hindi mo rin ka practice.
Bigay yung
Because
practice
there's,
niya.
Wala namang ilain dito to.
Moingon ang mga may man mo siya akong mga bata. May man mga coaches sa may na mo siya akong
May naman ni mong kiay.
pero kung may practice it's useless.
Okay. Unsa man ay pag-judge ani kay ikaw nakadaog ka naman sa dance sport in Manila o international pod. Unsa magi palatandaan o bantayan kung magsayaw ta?
Ang una is ang pairing because a couple for dance is pairing magyud man siya solo.
Pairing.
Talagang siya lang solo, special dance man solo. So
Pairing yun, pair.
choreography.
Ah. Kailan dungan gyud sila sa movements, ha?
Kaya balong isa sa routine, nga di sila masayo.
Choreography,
Okay.
yeah.
Next,
So na choreo. Okay.
body movements.
Body movement.
Ang buti pa sa mga body movement, you have to do your dance according to the music. Hindi
Okay.
siya pwede magbulag.
Correct.
Oo, layo. Kaya kinanglan pag-ingon nga, unsa ba, cha-cha-cha.
Oo.
Dili kay cha-cha-cha. Lugar ka.
Dili mag-sure, naman tayo counting again, sunod counting.
Ah?
So kung di ka makasunod sa counting na ang music nagbulag mo, it's just this, you're dancing without music.
Okay.
Oh.
So choreo and body movements.
Oh.
Okay.
Ang imo ng steps. Okay. We have steps kag isundo na mo sa guidelines. Kung di mabasa ang steps sa adjudicator, kung nakita mo ng judge,
Oh.
it is-
Wala ta.
Sige mong dancer to mag-highlight lang, sige, highlight, arasaon sa lalaki, himo mong helicopter, that's useless. You do the basic.
Palikot-ikot.
Coding, okay? So muna siya ang pinaka-importante.
Okay, unsa pa ipabantayan?
Next is
Attire, ang atong
the costume,
uniform.
costume.
Costume, okay.
Costume. Ang costume sa mga batakin na abide sa guidelines sa transport. For example,
Latin,
Latin.
medyo siksik gamay.
no,
Unsa man?
on elementary we have no basic, kinahanglan burag mandi ang bata.
Uy, murag Madrid ha.
O, sila
Taas kayo, okay.
No, close gid siya.
Close, okay.
Wala siya
Wala
abas sa
opening.
likod, wala opening. Kung sa standard na diya kutob, kung sa
Oh.
Latin diya siya kutob.
Okay.
Kunya ang iyang
Sayal,
ang sa standard
kuto labaw tuhod.
ubo sa tuhod mga 1 inch.
Ubos sa tuhod.
Ang Latin ibabaw sa
Tuhod,
o,
above.
1 inch.
Above.
Sila na siya.
Di na mamante o mamante.
Kung sa imong costume, muy kuro sa imong underwear.
Yaw, eh.
Kaya siya,
Kay usay kining sa TikTok, gawlatan mo nila nga walay panty kining dancer.
lahi ba siya. Muna ka lang TikTok yung mga imong sayo, is kababayan.
Dili ka na dance sports ya.
Kababayan, lagi kayo mga kita ko sa
Oh, sige.
kababayan.
Okay, so na-day requirements sa costume. So kailangan ang iyang color mo match.
Orange sa imong ko, orange, tangerine.
Oh,
Bisa mo underwear siya black, naging siya short pa nga.
tangerine,
Tangerine,
something.
oh.
How about ang shoes?
We have a dancing shoes. We have prescribed dancing shoes.
Naa.
Ang elementary, naging siya medyas. Ang
Nai
high
heel.
school- Yes, of course.
Okay.
Use this one, sayang away hill.
Mm.
Okay? So, ang hill for elementary, sa standard, medyo kuhan siya ka ng closed. Ang sa Latin, medyo open.
Okay.
So, yan siya.
Sabay man kung mga tanaan ni Editor Alan.
Lagi,
Kay-
lagi.
Kami ni Editor Alan, sayaw naman min. Pero di dirty dancing ha. There's because there is in Latin there is also dirty dancing.
So, dance sport,
Oh,
dance sport or elementary and high school, that is not dirty dancing.
okay.
Even sa youth category, katang 18 above, musunod niya po siya sa basic nga guidelines sa dance sport.
Pero how about the music? Kinsa may magpili? Ang gasayaw.
No. Ang gitawag na kami ko ang organizer. Ako organizer. I have a DJ. Ang DJ mo na siya ang set up sa music. Amo ang music.
Okay. Lagi, pero nga kung pasabot, dili lugar ko ako nga dancer. Okay, gusto ko ani nga music.
No.
Dili.
It's
So
our-
na mo
Oh.
music
Standard.
provided by the organizing
Yeah,
team.
yeah,
Nga
Okay.
kinanglan ma-meet niya to.
May bawal magyapon na nila
But you know what, music runs about 3, 4, 6 minutes. But this time, ikat lang.
Oh, ikat.
So pilian lang ang portion where mag-ana
Di-
kung
di- di-
magsayaw lugar tada. Painaana.
Dili siya. Pag sugod sa music, mukat ka og 1 minute or 10 seconds or 2 minutes. Dito ka mukat sa tunga-tunga. Di ka mukat sa sugod. Di ka pwede magsugod sa tunga. You have to begin the music.
Dance
Because
sport,
the dancers, athletes,
Naka-practice na daan.
Naka-practice na.
Warm up, bali warm up
so
na.
for example, nagtugtog ang music, some of the athletes is gitawag na mag 1 bar. So ang 1 bar, mo counting nag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nagsayaw na ko,
Wala
ana.
pa.
Ah?
You have to prepare, preparatory. So, you have to prepare with your partner. Pag sugod sa music, you have to count 8 counts. Ayaw ka magsugod o
Sayaw.
sayo. Magdepende sa music nga imong kaya ang imong step ya
Agad sa
Depende sa music.
Pwede.
Oh.
So ang imong partner muna inyong sa practice ang pinaka the best.
Dapat mo
Practice.
lagi itong imo, 5 ra gyud ka rules. Practice, 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 practice.
Other sports, you say, no sir, because on practice we do already our guidelines. We have already guidelines. We have already guidelines to be among kasundon.
What else that you need to share sa ating mga enthusiasts or those who would like to become part of dance sport? Unsa pa imong advice sa ila? Kasi we are running out of time.
Dance sport is part of our daily life. Exercise. Okay?
Na ba'y benefits ang dance sport?
Healthy body. Healthy.
Oh.
Exercise man,
Hindi
health.
ala, no?
That's what
Oh.
Kasi good ba na sa lungs?
Di mo mahibawan nga sa sige mong sayaw, exercise na dito. Oh. Di ba rin ko talaga ginagmay di
Oh, okay.
So, ako na siya benefit.
Pero kanan di sa limkit kay nga inyong activities, practice lang na practice
May
ha.
competition sometimes.
Oh.
Naman may mga incoming competition.
Na competition. Okay.
So when may competition ba, upcoming competition, Joe, para ma-announce na to kay ang uban mo good. Di ara man na magsayo-sayo sa mga diskuan.
Lagi.
Ano ba wala man eh. Wala man contest naman dito sa magpakitas tutoy. Diya sa kuan kada sa mga diskuan.
Kaysa division meet to sa
Division meet sa Gaisano.
Katong Sabado, Friday.
Bilas.
Kami dahil sakit kay itong Sunday. I do the solo dance competition because I have to evaluate all my dancer, both male and female.
Okay.
Okay.
Nabay prize ani Joe, Sir Joe.
Magdepende sa how the competition run or the competition. So, for example, division meet sa Candioro. And the qualified adto is good to be going to the regional meet which is on Camiguin on May. Then, after the regional meet, who will be qualified will be on performance in Cebu City.
In Cebu.
On July. So, yan ang dagan.
Oh, okay. So far, asa na ta ang Cagayan de Oro? Nakadaog na ba ta?
About that, aside from that, we have some competition. For example, World Dance Sport Federation competition, ranking in Cebu, kasi host ang Cebu.
World, ha?
Nasa atong mga national competition, Batang Pinoy, if you hear that,
Yeah,
Batang Pinoy, we have national. Last year, in Cebu, my dancer, one couple, my apo, silver medalist sa World Dance Federation.
Oh,
Ang champion ng
congrats.
Thailand.
Thailand.
So, sa Tibok Pilipinas, nakita yung naginila kagayan yung how it grows.
Pero nindot ning dance sport kay wala man ni height na by height requirement? Wala. Oh, see?
Ang imo
Natay laban.
Di man sa katagas, di sa kabumbo, o di sa kagwapa-gwapo. How do you execute?
Graceful nga pagsayaw nimo.
How do you execute the dance?
Oh, dance.
Kaya abi nimo ang qualify karon sa regional sa high school. Magagmay kayo, di kayo makayon high school. Grade 7. Kaya naman punta, mga dagko sa private school. Mga tagas pa yun.
Kulang sa military band siguro.
So, amay tabo, wala tumakon sa kaning...
Military band.
Pulburon.
Margarine. Powder milk. Wala makakawa.
Gagmay ako masangop.
Okay. Pero cool bag. May practice.
Kami ang training. So, yung sila nga, tagas pa kayo kontra coach. Ikaw, masaya mo sa tunga. Sa tunga mo, ayaw mo para makita mo sa... That's a secret.
Correct.
Sa judges. Tungangin mo. Pasang nila sila. Kung magbinangga ay man, problema na ninyo. Basta, you have to execute how do you know dance
Correct.
So,
Okay.
champion sila, champion.
Champion.
So, kamihin sila. That is high school. Ang sa standard, high school naman, ako yung sakop, Lumbia. Lumbia na siya. Nalukit naman yung konsolasyon dito sa Palairon tungkol Palaya. Sana siya, pag Lumbia?
Dito sa Palanan. Lumbia.
Dili, unahan mo itong
Pagalungan.
Pagaron.
Di. Taglimaw?
Dili, unahan
Dili
sa Lumbia gamay.
Lumbia. Paubos sa Tagkining.
Basta ang location aning konsolasyon.
Correct.
So, gold yapon ako ang high school. Ang duha kilometer ako gold yapon. So, from my end, sa akong club, bali sa akong decision, tanan ang akong competitor going to regional.
Good. Anyway, Joe, pwede ba tagain mo sila information kung gusto sila mo reach out? Paano ka makontak? Ang akong mga televiewers nga gusto, especially din sa Cagayan de Oro, nga gusto siya mo avail sa dance sports.
Mga isoon, if you're willing your kids to have dance sport in their daily lives, I invite you to have a Team Kit Kay Center every Saturday and Sunday.
Oras.
1 o'clock until 4.
Bayad?
You have only going there as at attendance and you have to be only 50 pesos for 3
Pagka
hours.
50 pesos.
40 hours.
Bali mo na bitaw contribution lang na nimo pagbayad sa music, tanan, whatever.
3
3 hours ang practice.
3 hours ka lang 50. Kaya 1 to 4 man. So, dako kasi ang advantage sa mga
Dako
bata.
kayo.
Kaysa sige na mag-TikTok, sige mag-atubang.
Sabado o Domingo, ha?
Yeah.
Kay basig mo bisita
Okay.
mi ni Alan pero ang pero ang advice ni mo anak kung magto sila dito nagka-pamsyo sa
Ah.
Mostly sa mga bata, kunay mo amoy palong pants, kanang leggings, sa mga babae, pamsyos. Sa mga lalaki po, normal lang.
okay.
Ayan
So
naman,
every Saturday and Sunday
yeah.
at the Limkit Kai asa
Either sa silong taas.
Okay.
Basta man, no,
ground floor or second floor.
no other
Look for Joe Awitin. May long lang contribution na 50 for the 3 hours dance sport practice. You will know how the rules. You will also be able to understand the mechanics. Then sila dance instructor. But this is one of the most exciting sports now. Dance sports. No?
Dance sport. Ah.
Actually, ang dance sport for 19 years, pagbalik atong 2017 sa Antique, wala siya mga regular sports sa DepEd. So, demo sports siya, pero we're hoping that
Maapil.
maapil ka rin pagsugod sa regional sa Camigin. But,
Wala pa may Olympics dance sports,
wala
no?
pa. Pero
Mga international world lang.
na international. But in Batang Pinoy, we are a regular sports. So, munang compete me.
Okay. Sige, balik ko na to. We'll give Joe Witten to tell you the address, the contact number. Sige, isulti aron.
So,
Kay kanima tan-aw ba ni balik-balik sa atong Facebook.
So we invite you our training program in Dance Sport Activity Center every Saturday and Sunday, 1 o'clock until 4 o'clock. So you have only to pay 50 pesos as part of the training fee for 3 hours. Imagine 3 hours when you go to from a dance instructor, that is 3 hours,
Yeah,
and
mahal
it is
kaya
5,000 already. But for us, it is our concept among concept is kinahanglan bata makatuon. Hindi siya mo gasto kayo. Kaya ang mga kusyo gasto sa parents.
Are you getting support from our local government?
Yes, of course.
Joe?
Yeah.
Siyempre.
Yeah, especially,
Si Mayor Claret, katabang na.
actually, all our
Council.
our competition outside the Euro, especially sa city sports.
Okay. Na, ba?
Yeah.
Is this part of the activities sa City Sports?
Actually, sa dance sport, ako ang handle sa
Lagi.
Siyudad Quezon.
Okay.
So, kung makontak mo sa ako, nakoy, cell number nga inyong makontak is 0905
0905
175
175
82
82.
38. Okay, kung na ako contact number, kung if you're willing to have your kids,
Repeat, Joe.
Yun.
0905
0905
175
175
82
82
38.
38.
So if you're willing to your kids have a dance sport in their daily lives, get and enjoy to dance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, mga
Okay.
igsoon, ikabsa ng kitag oras.
Yes,
But since you can view this anytime until Monday.
Yeah.
So, thank you, Joe. Parting words, imo pasalamat. I-announce when is the next competition.
Well, thank you very much sa MDNN sa panahon.
Editor Alan Villante.
Sir Alan,
Yeah.
Sir Manny,
Kalondrakas.
and the-
Atong technical crew.
Salamat sa panahon.
Ang sunod kami sa ang sunod na
So, we have a competition on May for the regional meet.
Oh,
I'm also preparing for the Batang Pinoy Mindanao selection in Jinsan on August. But on August, we have also our national competition will be at the venue will be at Limkit Kai. That is a national.
National, ha?
Yeah, every year.
When is this? Sa fiesta time?
August, within August. Basta August siya. Aside from our local competition here in Indoro, because we have also
Pero
our
kani national, ha?
national.
So, how many are we expecting to come?
Last year, we have around 400 to 500 competitors
Competitors, ang dami.
in entire
In the
Philippines.
Philippines, yes.
Actually, last year, was like me masero. We have some gold medals.
Naasapta, nakadaw sapta.
Hindi masero.
Okay.
Okay, we have to enter the category of kanang asa ko sa ugasang hinay. Tibla-tibla ko na ang competitors.
So, dance sport. Mga igsoon, wa na tayo oras. As I've said, salamat na sa atong guest, si Joe Witten. He's a dance sport coordinator of the city, helping your kids, and of course, those dance enthusiasts nga mo avail. Kaya sa dancing is a good exercise.
Yes.
Kami ni Editor Alan, di pa mi unahe. Ang amo na lang kipaabot, ang among partner. At saan magkakita kami partner, we will do the practice
Ah.
of stretching our muscles.
Yeah.
No,
Bisa to,
dancing. Because the dancing, Editor Alan,
Yeah.
ang imong tiil, exercise ka na, aside sa imong lungs, no?
Yes.
Oo. So,
Actually, I'm already
wa pa kay gibating arthritis kay ano. Well,
So,
your parting is, yes, Editor
I am
Alan?
also announcing all our televiewers are interested to be our dance partners
Yeah.
to contact
We're
us.
announcing.
So once we will have other partners, we can join the dance
Yes,
sport.
yes.
Yeah.
We need partners, ha? So, volunteers. Wala lang tayo age bracket lang. Kasi kanang below 50 lang siguro. Kaya kung above 50 na, kasi manghaplas na lang minini. Mga Igsoon, we really ran out of time.
Okay.
Salamat sa inyong pagpakiguban. Make it a day every Monday. Dito nga lang parting statement.
Yes, daghan kayong salamat sa tanan ng mga televiewers namo. Labi na kato ganinang namati sa programa sa atong Philippine Veterans Bank. And our supporters all over the Philippines, all over the world. We have followers in New York, UK, and other countries.
Sunod sa ato, sa Facebook Live.
Yes. Please follow us again. Always, every Monday.
Wala naman tayo igong oras. Kini si Doc Manny Hogan habang sa akong bisita karon live. Si Joe Awiten o si atong co-host, si Editor Alan Mediante. Every Monday, make it a date sa among tulumanon, ang Kalandrakas.